present the farewell between Hector and Andromache. The setting took place within the walls of Troy during the time of the Spartan War. Today, from the students of the 4th year Righteousness, we are proud to present to you the farewell between Hector and Andromache.
Farewell between Hector and Andromache. One day, Hector went to his house looking for Andromache.
Whoa!
Slave, have you seen my wife?
I'm sorry your one is back.
You, both of you, have you seen my wife? Did she go to any of my sisters for a temple? Tell me, where is she?
Yes, I see your wife with your nurse and your son, your majesty. But your majesty, we did not go to any of her. They had gone up to the walls of Troy.
But why?
She heard that our people were in danger, and the enemy was gaining the best way. She had gone up in a hurry with the nurse carrying her son.
So Hector ran all the path, but Andromache the nurse had passed. He went on searching like an idiot. There behind the gates, he saw Andromache and the nurse.
Late naman yung cafe.
Namin, namin. Commercial dyan, miss, mamaya may magbabalik. Balik. Commercial ng ano.
And there behind the gates, he saw Andromache and the nurse.
Oh, Hector, here's her son.
Oh, Andromache.
Hector reunites with his wife Andromache.
He holds her to his chest. She closes her eyes. And they stand like that for a long time. A nurse standing nearby holds Hector's 10-month-old son, Scamandrius. Now, Andromache takes the ring from the nurse. Hector steps into the boy's, wondering as and puts his finger in the boy's hand.
That's a great grip.
He's like his brother. He never leaves me.
Andromache pleads with Hector not to fight. Hector sits on the bed beside Andromache. He nurses their baby boy, Hector takes his up. They stare at him.
Hector looks exhausted. He stares at his son. Hector said,
Long live Andromache and silence. Hector stares at Andromache.
The man who can take at Apollo's temple. I've never seen that impossible throw of speed.
She nods to swallow hard and closes her eyes. After a moment, Hector, his eyes full of sorrow, ran his hand through her long hair.
I need to see my brother,
Don't go.
but I need to speak with him.
I mean tomorrow, don't go. Let the other man go, Hector.
Do you think I want to fight my love? I want to see my son grow. I want to see the girls chasing after him.
They think she's your father.
For a moment, they sit quietly watching their son.
He has 7 brothers and there's Spartan wars. My father was slain by Achilles.
Sinabi mo ayoko. Sinabi.
My mother was brought away as a prisoner. My mother, the queen, was brought away as a prisoner.
The king and the queen are coming.
Yun lang.
You think I'm good at losing by now? I can lose you. Don't go away. I won't survive.
Hector stares at her for a beat before pulling her close and kissing her. Everything in this kiss is the entire past. Andromache finally lets him go, and Hector walks out the door. Andromache fights her final breath.
Di abot.
The cast and characters of Farewell between Hector and Andromache.